So I just purchased this online. It's a Sprint Air Wide. It's for road bikes, and it's grade A. And let's see how it looks like. Hello guys, just want to make a quick review about these Hunt wheels that they do on their website now. It's called Renew. So basically, what it is just a refurbish or probably a customer return, and then they change some parts and they try to sell it online. So they grade it in three categories, I believe, which is the grade A and grade B, and one is with no grade. Let's see how it looks like. So basically, the packaging, it looks new. They package it very nice, secure, so it doesn't play around during transit. Also inside the box, they've given me the silver quick release and 3 spare spokes. Yeah, that'll come very handy. So this is the grade A that they sell. What I can see is probably they just run it for a couple of miles. I don't see any wear on the actual brake surface, and bearings, they're quite good, nice and smooth. Any marks on the wheels? Nothing really. This front wheels, it looks like new actually. I don't see any marks. I don't see any scratches. So this one is perfectly fine. It looks like brand new, and I believe they put a brand new tape on the wheels as well. Now let's have a look the rear one. The rear one now is similar to the front one. However, it seems like there is a bit scratch on this side here, as you can see. Yeah, this is probably when they tried to put the tires back in, or I don't know, try to take it out. Probably those metal tire lever just scratch it a bit. And apart from that, brake surface is absolutely fine. It looks like you just run it maybe a couple of miles to try out. Nothing really. Check the bearings. The sound is perfect. Is it true? Yes, nice, straight and smooth. How about the hubs? Let's have a look. So the hubs itself is brand new, and it's a ceramic speed they put in, which is a bonus, I believe. Everything is perfectly fine, very smooth. They put some brand new hub on it, which is Shimano one. It says ceramic speed coated. Normally on the second hand one, you probably see a teeth bite on each groove. So what caused that is the cassette. You know, when you try to do a hill climb, put your weights on it, and it bites on those grooves here. But this one is brand new. So well, I'm happy with it. I got it very cheap price, and it's almost new. So well done to Hunt. I'm happy with the wheels that they just sold. This is the new one, and basically it's a refurbished one, and it's perfectly fine. So grade A is almost perfect, like brand new. So I'm sure those grade B one is probably maybe a little bit more scratches or marks, or probably some a bit wear, or maybe low mileage one on the brake surface. And yeah, thumbs up to this one. I like the color as well. It's silver. It gives you this classic looks. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Bye for now.